And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Suspense over actor Vijay's political debut now. Vijay's father says he has started a political party of his own. Vijay says he has no plans of starting a political party and has no links with the party floated by his father. So a big fight on between father and son. Father says Vijay is starting a political party. Son says, I have nothing to do with the political party started by my father. Big war on by superstar Vijay in Tamil Nadu. Akshaya Nath live with me. Akshaya, make sense of this for us. What's going on? Is Vijay part of a political party started by his father or not?
Well, Shiv, I had an opportunity to talk to S.A. Chandrasekhar, who is the father of actor Vijay. And S.A. Chandrasekhar said that he, in 1993, had started a fans association for Vijay, which 5 years later he converted into a People's Welfare Forum. And then, for the last 25 odd years, they have been working as a People Welfare Front. And recently, Vijay's father decided that he will register the People Welfare Front with the Election Commission. And he said that the motive behind it was to inspire the people who are working tirelessly in the People Welfare Front, which is the All India Talapati Vijay People Welfare Front. And now what has happened is that soon after the registration with the Election Commission happened, there was a lot of debate and talk that was going on in social media. In fact, many of Vijay's fans were also anticipating and excited that the superstar was entering politics. But soon after, S.A. Chandrasekhar clarified that his son has nothing to do with the political party. He had only put it with an intention that people who are associated with it will work even more harder if they are part of a political front. And soon after, again, we saw that Vijay had gone on to clarify that he and his father's political party launch has nothing to do with one another. And he also said that all his fans have to restrain themselves from entering into politics or promoting as a political party. He said if any of his fans association members are seen to be using his name or his association's name or his photograph for propagating politics, then he will have to move legal course. So at this point of time, we're seeing that S.A. Chandrasekhar has plotted a party, but son Vijay says that he has nothing to do with politics.
Very interesting, and also not surprising that there are all these political expectations and pushes and pulls and mobilizations, because elections are on in 6 months, and it looks like there is an appetite for some superstar netas. We don't know about Rajinikanth. Vijay has added some suspense to his own plans. It appears the only actor with real proper plans is Kamala Hassan, superstar that is. There are very others who are taking a role in politics, but among the superstars, well, ambiguity continues to prevail.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.